Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now we're going to a beautiful question on the board. We're going that 3 raised to the power root a plus root 8 is equal to what? 30. We are asked to look for the value of what? A. Wow, this question is as simple as A, B, C, D, okay? Now, do you know that we are not wrong if we let root a be equals to any variable? I always prefer P. Let root a, because it's common, equals to what? P. So we are going to add this is 3 to the power of P plus what? P equals to what? 30. Now let's solve for P. If we solve for P, we can find A. Okay, so let's subtract P from both sides. That means 3 to the power of P will be equals to 30 minus P, because we subtracted P from both sides. Let's divide both sides by 3 to the power of X. Sorry, let's divide both sides by 3 to the power of P. So if we divide this by 3 to the power of what? P, also divide the of this by 3 to the power of P. Now this divided by this is just 1, equals to, by obeying the properties of indices, we can do something interesting here. This is the same as 30 minus P multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3 to the power of minus P, by obeying the properties of indices. Now, note that e to the power of link A is equals to A. This is one of the properties of logarithm, okay? That means 1 is equals to into 30 minus P, okay, multiplied by e to the power of what? Link 3 to the power of minus P. It's the same thing, there's nothing changed. It's the same thing, there's nothing changed, my brothers and sisters. Because e to the power of link A is equals to A. It means that e to the power of link 3 to the power of minus P is equals to 3 to the power of minus P. Very interesting. So this now becomes what? Into 30 minus P multiplied by e to the power of what? Link 3 to the power of minus P is equals to what? 1. Okay, 1. Can see? Now what are we going to do? Wow. What we are going to do here, we want this to be equal to this. So what are we going to do? What if we multiply both sides by e to the power of 30? Because if we multiply both sides by e to the power of 30, we have achieved this. Yes, we have achieved this. E to the power of link 30. Or maybe let's do it from here so that we know what. Let's do it from here so we not make mistake. Let's remove this from here and do it from here so I will not make any mistake. For us to achieve this, we want this to be the same as the exponent here. So what we'll do, multiply both sides by 3 to the power of 30. So that means 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 30, okay, is equals to into 30 minus P multiplied by 3 to the power of minus P multiplied by 3 to the power of 30. Why are we multiplying both sides by 3 to the power of 30? We want this, which is 30 minus P, be equals to the exponent here. That's why we multiply both sides by 3 to the power of 30. I know you ask now, why are we doing that? I'll answer that question. Now, what we do to have this is what? 3 to the power of 30, okay, equals, because 1 times this is this, equals to into 30 minus P multiplied by obeying the properties of indices here. Since the bases are the same, we can take the exponent and we can take one single base and add the exponent. Note that this is 3 to the power of 30 minus P. You can see that this, the exponent here is equals to what is here, so that's good. Now, why we're multiplying both sides by 3 to the power of 30 is because that's where we are going to, okay? Remember, in this type of problems, we are going to apply our Lambert W function of, we are going to apply our Lambert W function, okay, which is very interesting, okay? Now, from here, we know that e to the power of link A is equals to A. You all know this is one of the interesting properties of logarithm. That means 30 to the power 3 to the power of 30 is equals to what? Into 30 minus P multiplied by e to the power of what? 3. Sorry, e to the power of what? Link what? Link 3 to the power of 30 minus P. This is interesting, right? Very interesting. Now I'm going to add this is 3 to the power of 30 is equals to what? Now this power can also go back as a link here to multiply the link. So I'm going to add this is what? Into 30 minus P, okay, multiplied by e to the power of what? 30 minus P link what? Link 3. Now you can see that the exponent here is 30 minus P link 3. And what is, look at what we are looking for. The Lambert W function of A multiplied by e to the power of A is always equals to A. And since the power here is 30 minus P link 3, and what is here is 30 minus P, we want this to be equal to this. So what you have to do is to multiply both sides by link 3. Let's do that quickly. So that this is 30, 3 to the power of 30 multiplied by what? Link 3, okay, is equals to into 30 minus p multiplied by what? 30 minus p multiplied by link 3, okay, multiplied by e to the power of what? 30 minus p link 3, because we multiply both sides by link 3. Now, this multiplied by 0, this is what? 30 to the 3 to the power of 30 link 3 is equals to into 30 minus p link 3, sorry, link 3 multiplied by e to the power of 30 minus p link 3. Now, if we take the Lambert function of 33 to the power of 30 link 3 equals to the Lambert function of what? 30 minus p link 3 multiplied by e to the power of 30 minus p link 3. Now, the outcome of the, let's see the outcome. Remember that the Lambert function of a multiplied e to a is a. So this will just be 30 minus p link 3. But we can do something interesting here. Look at what we're going to do here. Do you know that we are not wrong? For write this as the Lambert function of 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of what? 27 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. Because since the basis are the same, we can add the index. 27 plus 3 give us 30, right? Then link what? Link 3 equals to this will just give us 30 minus p link 3. Okay. Now we can take this is as the Lambert function of 3 to the power of what? 27 multiplied by 27 link what? Link 3 equals to 30 minus p link 3. Because 3 to the power of 3 simply means 3 times 3 to 3 places, which is 27. Now this can go back to become the exponent here. So now this is the Lambert function of 3 to the power of 27 multiplied by link what? Link 3 to the power of 27. Okay. 27 is equals to 30 minus p link what? Link 3. Now we know from here that e to the power of link a is equals to a. That means the Lambert function of what? E to the power of link 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 27 multiplied by link 3 to the power of 27 is equals to 30 minus p link what? Link 3. Okay. Now you can see that this and this are the same, right? You can see that they are the same. So we can take one of them by obeying the Lambert function properties. Okay. You can take one of them. All right. Now from here we just have what? Since they are the same, look at you just give us a. So this will become link what? Link 3 to the power of 27 is equals to what? Is equals to 30 minus p link what? Link 3. Okay. Now this can also go back as 27 link 3 equals to 30 minus p link 3. Now if we divide both sides by link 3 and divide the others by link 3, now this will cancel out this. So 27 is equals to, this will cancel out this, 30 minus p. So if we subtract 30 from both sides, this is 27 minus 30 equals to minus p. 27 minus 30 will give us minus 3 equals to minus p. If we divide both sides by minus 1, this will cancel out this. We now see that p is equals to what? 3. This is the value of p. But remember, we are not asked to solve for p. We are asked that what is the value of a. Now let's recall. Okay, let's recall. Okay, let's recall. All right. Now recall that root a is equals to what? P. But what thing about p is 3. That means root a is equals to what? 3. Let's take square root of both sides. So take square of what? Take square of both sides. Take square of both sides, right? So this will cancel out this. That means a is equals to 3 multiplied by what? 3. That means a is equals to what? 9. And this is the value of a to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and also share it to your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel so that another exciting video will notify. So thank you so much and God bless you.